lower spine was on fire. The pain was so intense, it was difficult to walk. It was difficult to stand, it was difficult to sit. Even lying down for any long period of time was extraordinarily uncomfortable. I was going to school, I was making friends, and then the SI joint pain came on so suddenly and so strong. I didn't go out, I didn't do anything. If it weren't for my roommate, I probably wouldn't have spoken to anybody. The feeling of being isolated from pain is almost worse than the pain itself. I suffered from SI joint pain for about 2 years. It took a while for me to find the right doctors to talk to, get the right information, and figure out that it was my SI joints that were causing me the pain. We embarked on a conservative treatment plan, which included SI joint injections, cortisone injections, and the first one I got amazing relief. 2 months. It felt like I was a normal person again, to be honest with you. I went to the internet and I typed in SI joint fusion, and the first thing that came up was the SI bone website. And there was a phone number, and I spoke to a nurse practitioner, and she gave me the name of a doctor here in San Francisco that did the procedure. Once I spoke to the doctor about the minimally invasive iFuse system, I finally had hope that there was light at the end of the tunnel. My first iFuse surgery was October 2012, and then my second iFuse surgery was June of 2013. It wasn't until about a month or two later when I noticed that the pain had changed. I started to feel different in the SI joint area. I started to feel less pain after 3 months. And then after 6 months, I didn't feel any pain. That was amazing. I went to see a movie for the first time in years. It was a revelation to be able to sit that long. I really started feeling like a human being again. Cooking, hanging out with friends, going to dinner. I was able to do these things again, and being able to go on a hike. That is amazing, to be able to be in nature and feel good and alive again. I feel like I am able to live life. Now, after both of my surgeries, I can't even tell you how exciting it is to look at the possibilities that are before me. I just feel so fortunate that I was able to go through this process.